Hi, in this video, let's see how to create a snapshot and also create a volume using a snapshot. So snapshot is a point-in-time backup of an EBS volume of an EC2 instance. It is regional and also it is incremental. So here we have like two instances, Win instance 1 and Win instance 2. So if you click on Win instance 1, go to storage, you can see that there is a 2 GB volume that is attached. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a snapshot of this and also use the snapshot and create a volume for Win instance 2. So Win instance 1 is in the availability zone EU Central 1A and Win instance 2 is in the availability zone EU Central 1B. So first let's go to Win instance 1. I've connected this instance using RDP. So here if you see we have two disks, disk 0 and disk 1. So in disk 1, that is where we are going to, that is for which we are going to create the snapshot. And inside this disk 1, I'm going to create a sample folder, which should be backed up and recovered. So this is the folder. Now I'm closing this connection. Now let's go to volumes. Click on the volume that for which we need to create the snapshot. Actions. There is create snapshot. So I'm giving it as a demo. You can add a tag. I'll give a name, which is okay. And now I'm creating the snapshot. So now the snapshot has been created here. Yeah. Now we can create a volume for our second instance using this snapshot. So I click on the snapshot, go to actions, and here it is like create volume from the snapshot. So it is a GP instance of 2 GB, and I'm creating it in EU Central 1B where our instances. Now I'm creating the volume. Now if you see, there's a volume created in EU Central 1B, which is available. Now I can attach this volume to our second instance. So actions, attach volume. Now the volume is attached to the second instance, which is in another availability zone. Now if you go to the second instance, storage, you can see that the volume has been attached. Now let's connect the instance. We'll wait for the instance to initialize and be up and running. If you see the new volume is here, we can make it online. Now we can see that in the new volume, the file that we created in the other instances there. So we have created a snapshot, created a volume using the snapshot, and then we have attached it to another machine. So now we can close the connection. That's all for today.